Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to insert a video to your Wix website, how we can do that. So as we can see that we are in middle of creation of a website where we have inserted one main section, and we have inserted some stripe sections here. As you can see, this is a stripe inserted and we have different sections right here. So if you want to add some more, want to add some video, and let's say that you have already added this kind of stripes directly from the elements. So the problem is that if you try to insert a video, it won't let you push it down. So for example, if you want to insert a video, we go to elements and we click on this video and music right here. Now we have all the options to insert a YouTube video, Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, whatever. And if you want to upload your own video, you can use the template here as well. But once we drag and drop it here, or we simply click it here, it is inserted in the middle of nowhere. But if I want to push it downwards, as we can see that we can't push it downwards, even though if we try a lot. So in that case, what we can do, now it depends. If you have used the sections area to create different sections on your website, then you will insert a new section. Otherwise, if you have created all of your website by using the elements, then you go to this elements right here. And here you just go to the stripe and choose a particular stripe here. You can select the blank one right here. So once you adjust that or click that, it will automatically be inserted downwards, and here is where you can put your video. So let me just go down and click on elements, and now let's try to add a video using the single player. Let's click or drag and drop the YouTube video, and now you can see how conveniently you are able to place this video here. Now if you want to increase the size of this section even further, we can do that to enlarge the video size. And that's how you adjust that however you want. We can move and push this one down as well. So this is how we insert that. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to click on preview, you will find the website is properly working with all the videos and elements inserted. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how to resolve that. If you're unable to insert a video on Wix website, this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to see all the amazing tips and tricks on Wix website, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you there.